Hello and welcome, I'm Steve the Bartender, and today is officially the launch of the Coffee Cocktail Challenge. The Mr Black team and I are challenging you to create your own signature coffee cocktail. There are awesome prizes up for grabs each week, as well as a chance to have your recipe featured here on the channel. Entries are open for 8 weeks and submissions are super easy. Simply visit coffeecocktails.com.au or click the link in the description below. Submit your own original coffee cocktail recipe featuring Mr Black. For those of you who may not have heard of Mr Black, let me introduce you. Mr Black is an Australian cold brew coffee liqueur, and the coffee beans are ethically sourced, roasted and brewed north of Sydney, and the vodka is distilled on site. An ounce of Mr Black contains around 30 to 40% of the caffeine of a single espresso shot. It has half the sugar and 10 times the coffee of most other coffee liqueurs. The finalists will be judged on taste, presentation, originality and creativity. So stay tuned for my weekly roundup of the 3 top submissions that I will create and taste side by side. I am super excited to see what you guys create. Are you up for the challenge? Cheers.